Okay, can you tell us about the new discovery, please?
Yeah, the new discovery is in KV40, where we have been working since 2 years, and we have there about 50 mummies, remains of 50 persons, let's say, from the 18th dynasty and 22nd dynasty. And the robbers who have visited the tomb several times, in the pharaonic times and the modern times, they also put the tomb in fire. But despite this, we have fragments of wood and pottery which mention royal children. For example, we have king's daughters, king's sons, we have names of foreign ladies, and we have mummies of very small children also, which have been mummified, and this is unusual. They are less than 1 year, but also many adults. So we know that this tomb, which has 4 rooms, was a tomb for royal children.
And what do you think will be in the future? What do you think you could find in the future in the tomb?
No, the tomb is now cleared.
Okay.
But we are now working on the pottery and on the objects, on the pieces. We have found remains of this funeral equipment, and I am sure we will get some new information. The dating of these persons, of the royal children, it's 18th dynasty, around Thutmosis IV, Amenophis III. So we have there a mass tomb of mainly ladies, but also some princes and many princesses. And this is what we want to collect next year with anthropologists and our team to collect all the information what is remaining in this tomb now.
Thank you.
Thank you.